So now we'll see what is local and global variables. So local and global variables. So again, this is something, a concept that is associated with your function. So let's see how to differentiate what is local and global. I'm having a function sample. So here I'm having x is equal to 10, print x, and here I'm having another variable a is equal to 25. I'm calling the function sample and then print a. So now the output for this program will be like your a is equal to 25, you're calling the function, it goes here, x equal to 10, and then you're printing the value of x, so it is 10. So it comes back here, and after that you're printing the value of a, it is 25. So now here it is local variable x, this is global variable a, which means when you're having a local variable to a function, that can be accessed only within the function. You cannot access it outside the function. The life of that variable will be only within that particular function. But when you're having a global variable, you can use it anywhere inside the program. Even you can use it inside the function. For example, let me write in another program for a better understanding. Definition sample x is equal to 10. I'm printing local x is equal to x value, and then I'm printing global a is equal to a value. Outside it I'm having a is equal to 25 and I'm calling the function sample. What happens here is you're calling the function sample, a value is 25, and after that you're calling the function sample, it goes here. Output will be like you're having a local variable x, because you have created x only within the function, so x is local to this function. So you will get the result like local x is equal to 10, and after that you are printing the value of a, that is global. So as I said earlier, if it is global, you can use it anywhere inside the program. Either it may be inside the function or it may be outside the function, you can use it anywhere. So I am using it inside the function, so it will display you global a is equal to 25. So this is how global and local variables are defined. So when you are having a variable created within a function that is local to that particular function, when you are having a variable created outside the function that is global, you can use it anywhere throughout the program. But if the variable is local, you can use it only within the function. Say for example, if I rewrite the same program with definition sample x is equal to 10, print x, a is equal to 25, I'm calling the function sample and print a comma x. If this is the case, a value will be 25, you are calling the function, x value is 10, so output will print 10, and after that you are trying to print the value of a comma x. Here for this you will get error because x's life is only within the function. You are trying to access the x outside the function, that is not possible, so you will get error here. So remember that if it is local variable, you can access only inside the function. If it is global variable, you can use it anywhere inside the program. Local variable is something which is created within the function. Global variable is something which is created outside the function. So this is how global and local variable differs. So let me write another program. So now you could see here, I'm having a variable s is equal to high and I'm calling the function sample and I'm printing the value of s. So execution starts here, s is equal to high, sample goes here, I'm having another s here. Now this is local s and this is global s. Even though the variable name is same as s, but the one that is created outside is global s and the one that is created inside is local s. So you will get the output like for this s is equal to high and then you're calling the function sample. In that local variable s is equal to 10. So inside the function when you are referring to s, this will be local. So 10 will get displayed here, and after that it comes here, and here you are printing s. This s refers to global since it is outside the function, so this will display you high. So this is how your global and local variables differs. Suppose if you want to refer the global variable inside the program, that you can use the keyword global. That will let me give you an example for that. So in this case, you can see here I have used the keyword global, which means I'm saying the Python that this is not local. I'm taking the global variable here. So you're having only one s here, only one s, and that is global. So when you're executing this program, output will be like initially your global variable s is high, and then you're calling the function sample. Here also I'm referring to global variable s. I'm changing the global variable s value from high to 10, and then I'm displaying the value. So now it is 10, and after that again here I'm displaying the value as again it will display you 10. But if you don't use this particular statement, then you're having two s here. This is local s and this is global s. This will print 10 and this will print high. But here I have termed s as global. So all the s used inside the program are global. So here it is high, and then I'm changing the value as 10. So after that, when you try to print s, it will give you 10. So this is how you can use local and global variables inside the function and outside the function. So please be sure about how to use local variables and how to use global variables and all those things. So with this, we are completing all the concepts and functions. So let me summarize what we have seen. We have seen like what is functions, types of functions, 4 types of functions, and then we have seen types of arguments like variable length, default arguments, and keyword argument. And then we have seen what is recursive function, an example for recursive function and how it works. And then we have seen what is local and global variable. So please do execute all the programs online and understand it better. Thank you.